Understanding, keep hydrated, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, keep hydrated. It's a phrase you might hear in daily conversations, especially related to health and wellness. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Keep hydrated means to continually drink fluids, especially water, to maintain a healthy level of hydration in your body. Hydration is vital for our health as it helps our bodies function properly. This phrase is often used as advice or a reminder, especially in hot weather or during physical activities. Staying hydrated is crucial for many reasons. It helps regulate body temperature, keeps joints lubricated, and aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. When we say, keep hydrated, we emphasize the ongoing action of drinking fluids, not just once but regularly throughout the day. 1. During the marathon, it's important to keep hydrated to maintain your energy levels. 2. The doctor advised me to keep hydrated while I'm recovering from the flu. 3. On hot summer days, keeping hydrated can help prevent heat stroke. Here are some simple tips to keep hydrated. Carry a water bottle with you. Drink a glass of water with each meal. If you're active, drink extra fluids to cover the additional water loss. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of the phrase, keep hydrated, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, staying hydrated is key to good health, so keep that water bottle handy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips.